Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily create a bootable SD card for this Linux distribution. Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could download the Xubuntu Linux distribution. To begin, open your browser and type Xubuntu and hit enter. At this stage look for the xubuntu.org and look for the logo. It's usually the first result, and look for download. Here we have download. Just click on the download directly. You want to scroll down to the bottom. You can either download actually using the torrents, but I personally prefer direct downloads. So in the bottom, you will find direct downloads. Click to open. Select the closest country to you. So for me, I'm going to select Germany. We will be redirected to the mirror or to the link to download from that country. At this stage, there are several options. You have the minimal and you have the full option. And you have the desktop, the torrent, and you have the ISO. So personally, I prefer to download the ISO file. So just click, select keep, and the download will begin. Based on your computer speed, your internet speed, the operation might take 5, 6 to 8 minutes based on how fast is your internet and your computer. I will just pause the video here and we'll continue once downloaded. The download has been completed, and here I have the Xubuntu. The method that I showed you, it allows you to download the latest version. So this is why we did it this way. Now you have the ISO file and you can use it for creating a USB bootable flash drive or an SD bootable flash drive, or you can even set it up on an SD card or an USB so that you can run it directly from it. To begin, we are going to download Rufus software. So in the browser, type Rufus and hit enter. At this stage, click directly on Off Downloads under the Rufus website. Wait few seconds and it will be redirected to this page. Here, there will be several options. However, we're going to select the one compatible with Windows, the one which we can run on Windows. It ends with this extension, exe. For Linux or for Mac, you will have different options. So we're just going to select the first one. If you are not able to reach here, just go back to the website, type on the title or the name of the website, scroll down, and here you will be able to download. So we are going to download the standard version. You can also get the portable version. It goes back to the same. Once the download is completed, just click on it and double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The software will take a few seconds and then it should appear on the desktop. We're just waiting. Yeah, here it comes. It might take a few seconds. And here we have Rufus ready to be used. To begin with Linux X Ubuntu, you will need to open your Rufus software or the software that you've downloaded. Next step, make sure that your storage device is plugged to your computer and that it's empty. If it's USB flash drive or an SD card, it's the same process. Just make sure that it's empty because any contained files will be deleted during this process. Next step, we are going to go back to Rufus, select your storage device, click on select to select the Linux distribution. Locate your Xubuntu distribution and double click on it. Once done, as you can see, it automatically has populated all the fields for us, so we can go ahead and click start if you are ready. Make sure to select write in ISO image when this option appears and click OK. And once you want to proceed, click OK as it will format the storage device. This process starts, it will be formatting the storage device. You might see it disappear and appear again, but that's fine. And once the process is completed, you should be able to see your storage device renamed with the Linux distribution, and you should see inside of it the files that's been created. So far, there is nothing to be done now manually. You will need just to wait until the process is over, and I will show you what to click next, but you will be most likely done after that. As a next step, click on Close once the process is over. Open your PC shortcut and check your storage device. There should be files already there created, and you should see it with the name of the current Linux distribution. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.